Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up data upload from Salesforce CRM system to ConvertKit. This is necessary to automatically transfer new leads from Salesforce CRM to other systems. For example, in ConvertKit, add new subscribers every time a lead is added to Salesforce CRM. It is convenient to store, process and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Salesforce CRM data source system. Then you need to select an action, Get New Leads. At this stage, you need to connect your Salesforce CRM account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window, you must enter the login and password from your Salesforce CRM account. Next, you should receive a verification code by mail. Enter it in this field. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. In this case, there are no additional settings, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this stage, you see test data for one of your leads in Salesforce CRM. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the setup of the Salesforce CRM data source. Now you need to move on to setting up data ingestion. Choose ConvertKit as the data receiving system. Next, you need to select an action, Add Subscriber. At this stage, you need to connect your ConvertKit account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window, you need to specify the API secret of your ConvertKit account. In order to get it, go to your personal account ConvertKit. Go to the Settings section on the tab, Advanced. Now in the API secret field you need to click Show. Copy the API secret and paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive service. When the required field is filled, click Save. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. At this stage, you need to select the form to which data will be transferred from Salesforce CRM. And also fill in the fields with variables from Salesforce CRM. To assign a variable, click on the field and select the required variable from the drop-down list. When all the necessary data is assigned, click Continue. At this point, we see the test data that will be sent to ConvertKit. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to ConvertKit. If everything suits you, we return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue the configuration. On this, the data reception setup has been successfully completed. Now you need to enable auto-update. Select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.